Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market is fine. So we see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major odds consolidating and just keeping the levels already established. And we see few altcoins pumping really hard. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, DeFi, NFT gems every day to keep you updated and educated. Also, I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. So everything just for entertainment and education purposes only. So guys, let's push the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and push the bell notification all, and let's share my screen, and let's go check out our favorite bubble chart. And Cardano is unstoppable, guys. Cardano is unstoppable. Also, Helium is doing really great. Kusama, Avalanche, Phantom, OKB, Use, Curve doing, and also Cake started to pump following Binance coin. So overall, it looks really good. The market is really bullish, and until Bitcoin is consolidating around 62,000 US dollar, also plus 1.9%, and Ethereum is consolidating around 4,600, up 2.5%, and Binance Coin rolling further as Solana is correcting a little bit. So I see Cardano is a layer one solution, and it's really breaking up to the 100, to the top 100, and then I think now it is in the top 10 maybe, or where is the Cardano? Here. Okay. I think it's somewhere here. It should be somewhere here, but I'm not sure where Cardano is. So definitely Cardano has more space to grow, and also Phantom is just on the 33rd place. So definitely also Aaron just on the 38th. So guys, I'm really bullish, and let's go and check our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. It is at 73, so this is in the greed zone, but not extreme greedy. And guys, you remember that during September and from May to July, the crypto market was really fearful. Investors worried a lot, and then that was a really good buying opportunity. You were able to buy cheap that time. Now the market is getting more greedy, but this greediness can last for months and for several months, and even go about 90 out of 100. And as we will see this happening about 90, then it's due for a correction, but now we are fine with this. Let's go to our first news. Let's see that Bitcoin's consolidation is normal. Analysts set 80,000 price target. Okay, so analysts are confident that the next breakout will push Bitcoin price above 80,000 US dollar. And data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView, Bitcoin is sideways around 62,000 US dollar, and also they say that Bitcoin is still on the path to 90,000. So this is from Rect Capital. I like Rect Capital analysis because it's really simple and it's easy to understand. And as these are weekly charts, as you see, and this is the fourth weekly chart that it's closing above 60,000. So this consolidation is building a foundation for the next run. And if you have a good foundation, a strong foundation, that the run-up can be also really, it can go really high. So as you see, also we had this consolidation during the summer, and after that, just Bitcoin rallied really well. Tough BTC has been moving sideways for weeks now. It has continued to successfully retest the major area of previous resistance, red, as new support green. So this retested This is now support, and this is resistance at 65,000. Also, Michael van der Poppe is just drawing these scenarios that Bitcoin can retest this 59,000 US dollar levels and bounce from there and breaking these resistance and also reaching new all-time highs and going towards 90,000 maybe before end of the year. So a simple target at 80,000 according to these symmetrical triangle and also this touch point, that the breakout target from here is 80,000. So this is a simple technical analysis, trying to keep things as simple as possible. 60,000 is the new 40,000 and 80,000 is next. Where wallets dominate exchange deposits, according to Kim Jong-un. I think he's the crypto quant, and where's wallet buying up BTC. And this is how you see Bitcoin price and exchange volume ratio is increasing. So where's still accumulating and the reserves on exchanges going down. So good to see that. Let's go to our next news. And okay. Hope I share the screen. Yes. Bitcoin soft fork days away as Taproot upgrade closes in. The Taproot upgrade was set for deployment after achieving a 90% consensus among the Bitcoin miners mining nodes. So Taproot is about just allowing Bitcoin to operate smart contracts, and also it provides more privacy. So the Taproot upgrade aims to revamp efficiency, privacy, and support smart contracts initiatives. So this is huge, and also 90% of the miners upgraded to Taproot. So I think this is definitely huge, and it will help Bitcoin to grow further. And if Bitcoin will have smart contracts, then Bitcoin will be also layer one smart contract platform like Ethereum, ADA, Cardano, Binance Smart Chain, and all others. So let's quote, I believe this construction will allow the largest possible anonymity set for fixed party smart contracts by making them look like the simplest possible payments. It accomplishes this without any overhead in the common case, invoking any sketchy or impractical techniques, requiring extra rounds of interaction between contract participants and without requiring durable storage of other data. So this is the biggest upgrade on Bitcoin in the past 3-4 years, and I think it is not priced in yet. So as we will see how Taproot is adding value to Bitcoin, then I'm definitely sure that Bitcoin will increase in price. Our next piece of news is from Raw Paul. He says that Cardano, Solana, and 2 additional Ethereum rivals will be super explosive this cycle, but there is a catch. Okay, what's the catch? I think almost certainly till March, but possibly to the summer, which will give us higher prices and a different cycle structure than we have seen before. I could be wrong. I'm not betting the entire range on it, but that's how I think it plays out. And if I'm right about the network adoption, then these other layer ones like Solana, Terra, Avalanche, Cardano, and some of the others are going to be super explosive. But in a risk-reward basis, they are riskier. They are not as deep a network as Ethereum is. Ethereum, to me, remains the best bet in the world from a risk-adjusted standpoint. And also, Ethereum has a network effect. Ethereum's market cap is currently at 524 billion US dollar, and Bitcoin is currently at 1.1 trillion. So, what my guess is it gets pretty close to Bitcoin's market cap, So I think it's probably in the end somewhere doubles in relative valuation versus Bitcoin. I don't think the market quite expects that, but maybe the short period of flipping would be the end of the cycle when everybody punches the air. All the Bitcoin guys get pissed off because Ethereum outperformed, then we get a larger correction. So this would be a funny blue off top or just top in this cycle. Okay, our next piece of news is quant analyst PlanB predicts hyperbolic scenario for Bitcoin. Here is his Q1 price prediction. Okay, price target. Okay, so let's quote from PlanB. If we look at an on-chain signals right now, I would say that the top is at least a couple of months, say 6 months from here. So that would be end of Q1. Then the third kind of model that I use is, of course, the floor model, 135,000 US dollar. That's not based on stock to flow. It's a proprietary thing based on other stuff, technical and on chain. I guess we will be about 100,000, about 135,000 at the end of the year, and then we will continue to grow maybe to the stock to flow X model target 288,000 or even above. I wouldn't be surprised even to see in Q4, in Q2 next year, prices of 300 to 400 or 500,000 US dollars. Oh, guys. So PlanB is working with the stock to flow model and the stock to flow asset model. And also the money right now is with old people, the real estate and the gold, the physical world and not the digital world. The digital scarcity is a next generation thing. So I think it will happen. But I also see in my own model that there is a linear relationship between scarcity and value. Scarcity, in my view, is the most important factor causing that linear relationship and causing people to put more money in real estate now. Okay, that will change once next to divisibility, fungibility, portability, also the scarcity of Bitcoin will be better than real estate. So are going into this FOMO hyperbolic scenario right now or next year of the year after. So Bitcoin will be by far the best asset physically, dynamically, mathematically above all others. So I cannot agree more with Plan B. So our piece of news is crypto analyst Alex Kruger predicts Bitcoin price for end of 2021, says 1 million BTC inevitable in the long run. So 1 million US dollar Bitcoin price in the long run. 1 million Bitcoin. I think it will happen most definitely. I have no idea when. I think it's way out there. 100,000 by year end is possible. I think it's very unlikely, or let's put this way, it's unlikely. It's not very unlikely. I thought it was delusional under normal circumstances, but these are not normal circumstances. We just had a slew of ETFs, exchange traded funds approved, and that changed everything. I think so. My base case scenario is more like a 75 to 85,000 US dollar. Can we hit 100,000 by year end? We definitely can. Bitcoin becomes an asset. It could be bigger than gold in 10 years. I think Bitcoin's role is actually competing against gold. It's it is the goal of the younger generation, and also we had several reports from JP Morgan that gold investors are selling gold and they are buying Bitcoin. Okay, that's good. I still think actually the crypto is going to continue to be the best performing asset class by a long stretch across time frames actually. So I think this is a really valuable report with the Wolf of Wall Street. And then let's go to our next news. This is our headline news for today that Reddit to reportedly tokenize karma points and onboard 500 million new users. So guys, this is definitely huge because now today we have almost 150 million crypto users out there. So it's not accurate, this number, but somewhere there. But if Reddit will tokenize karma points and they will onboard within a short period of time 500 million new users. Okay, so the social media platforms' efforts to improve user interaction through various cryptocurrency initiatives. Karma points it into Ethereum-based ERC20 tokens and onboard 500 million new crypto users in the process, according to a newly hired Reddit engineer. Okay, also they will use the layer 1 Arbitrum roll-up technology for its rewards point named community points according to the website. So they will use Arbitrum. Community points exist on the blockchain independently of Reddit, where they can only be bought by you just like Bitcoin. So guys, this is definitely huge. This is definitely huge. Reddit will onboard 500 million users. Okay, when we pull this off, we would onboard 500 million Web2 users into Web3, and then there is no going back. Let me say that again, 500 new crypto users. 500 million new crypto users, guys. Can you imagine what will cause what will be the cause when these 500 million new users entering this space? And also, it's going on Ethereum. So I'm really bullish on Ethereum and also on Arbitrum network. So this is definitely huge. With every new NFT project, a vibrant community of owners pop up with it. Over time, we believe this will only grow, and NFTs will play a central role in how fans support their favorite creators and communities. So, guys, this is our headline news. This is huge, and this is a win-win. It's good for the entire crypto community. It's good for Reddit, good for Reddit to everybody. Let's go to our next news. Bitcoin company Bakkt will now also offer Ethereum to customers. Users of the Bakkt app and custody service will soon be able to deal with Ethereum. So Bakkt is owned by Nasdaq, the New York Stock Exchange, and they are already providing Bitcoin services to clients and investment. And now they will offer Ethereum buy, sell, send, and spend. So this is definitely huge, but I don't think why they are going so slowly. Now they are just adding Ethereum, and why they are not adding several top 10 crypto. So I'm not sure why, but this is a big step forward. And our next piece of news is Grayscale, the biggest investor in crypto. The Grayscale Trust says it's exploring Terra and Avalanche. Terra, guys, is Terra, the Luna, and Avalanche is AVX. Okay, so they consider adding Terra and Avalanche to its range of investment products. The Luna and AVX tokens could benefit from the news. Both assets are currently trading below crucial resistance. A spike in buying pressure behind Luna and AVX could help them rise to all new time highs. We will look into them, and it's definitely bullish. And the next piece of news is Aaron enters price discovery mode with 440 US dollar in target, and Aaron surged by more than 20% in the past 40 hours. The bullish impulse allowed EGLD to break through resistance. Now the asset looks ready to surge by another 35% towards 440,000, and it's definitely bullish. It broke up, and also Aaron is launching their major Maillard swap. So this is definitely huge. I hope that there will be some nice staking and farming. Our next piece of news is, as guys, you know that the Solana conference is going on in Lisbon today and early next week. And Solana launches different new developments and partnerships. So I'm definitely bullish on Solana, and also maybe this conference will add more to this price surge, but I would definitely be cautious after that, because Solana went up so fast, and so maybe there will be some correction. Now, so Solana Ventures, Lightspeed Venture Partners, and FTX launch 100 million gaming fund on Solana. Intersection between blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, and gaming is creating a new reality for gamers. So this is definitely huge. If it becomes even a fraction as meaningful as our offline lives, it's incredibly valuable. Hence why Web2 companies like Meta and native Web3 companies alike are trying to build this. People spend hours a day in games like Fortnite or Roblox, so I believe the metaverse will be born out of a social game. So also we are bullish on metaverse. I talked about Sandbox and Mana Decentraland, and also I talked about that Facebook is launching its metaverse and also changing the name from Facebook to metaverse. So these metaverses are definitely the future. This is the next level of the how should I say, this evolution, like the internet is developing further, and these metaverses will be born from gaming, and Solana is there. Okay, Shiba Inu falls after 2.3 billion of Shiba moved from Where wallet. So definitely check out this news, because this is what can move Shiba Inu price in the next few days. So check out my video from yesterday. I talked about this Shiba Inu things. So let's go to check my Twitter. Also, be sure you are following me at Michael Dentler on Twitter, and also at Corion platform. I always share also useful information that Ethereum on exchanges is still falling from the cliff, and almost 28% of the total Ethereum supply is logged in smart contracts, and only 11% of the total Ethereum is had on exchanges, and it's falling falling further. So this is definitely what can and will probably will cause a supply shock, and supply shock pushes price higher. So next piece of news is the Bitcoin illiquid supply ratio, and this is the illiquid supply. It's also just increasing, so we have more and more Bitcoin hold for the long term in wallets, and get ready for the year-end firework. Okay, what else do we have here? Yes, Elon Musk asked out there that lately of unrealized gains being a means of tax avoidance. So I propose selling 10% of my Tesla stock, and folks voted almost yes. And also Michael Saylor replied, if the goal is diversification, an alternate strategy to consider is converting the Tesla balance sheet to a Bitcoin standard and purchasing 25 billion in BTC. That would deliver diversification, inflation protection, and more upside for all investors in a tax-efficient manner. So definitely great news. So guys, be sure all you're liking all these and sharing on your Twitter feed. Yes, so 4 American city majors will be paid in Bitcoin: Miami, New York, Jackson, and Tampa Bay. Cool. Also, we have this from PlanB. So we are just here when after the Bitcoin halving. And we have this from Gabor Gurbach. This is the Bitcoin Labyrinth Universe. And I really like this from Dan Helder. So this is the reserve currency status doesn't last forever. And the top at the top there is Bitcoin, and we have some nice shots from CorionX. And also here is a retweet that BTC could end up anywhere 200 and 500,000 in the next 2-3 months, and Ethereum 10,000 to 30,000. And will we go super cycle without an extended bear market? I doubt so. And PlanB also asking if are you ready for a 100,000 US dollar daily candles? This is insane, guys, insane. Okay. Also, here is from the Matrix. What are you trying to tell me? That I can trade my Bitcoin for millions someday? No, Neo. I'm trying to tell you that when you are ready, you won't have to trade your Bitcoin for 1 million. So, guys, this is definitely huge. Be sure to smash the like and also subscribe and follow me and Corian platform on Twitter, and also join our Telegram channel here. And also you can check our social media, follow our news, and also our updates about CorionX. So let's go and check what the Bitcoin price is doing. So Bitcoin is consolidating this 60,000 horizontal support, holding strongly, and Bitcoin now sideways and consolidating, and it's trying to break. If the next levels should break, it's almost at 64,000 US dollar. I think maybe there is a calm before the storm, what Bitcoin is doing. Also, we see the Bitcoin dominance is coming down, so altcoins are running. But once Bitcoin will start to run, that we will see altcoins dumping. So definitely, I think it's a good time to take some profits on alts. Maybe if Bitcoin chooses to rallying, then even dumping or rallying, that we will see an altcoin correction. So what else do we have here? ADA is really boring. It's a kind of pattern coin, but it seems that bottoming out. And I'm sure when we will have some news that Cardano blockchain is operating, and the first DEXs, farms, and NFT projects is accepting users, then I'm definitely think that Cardano will go up 2 or 3 times from here. Yes, so what else do we have? Avalanche started to pump again. So Avalanche looking really good. That was a kind of cup and holder formation and broke up nicely. So I think it's also heading to our price target at 98 US dollar, and I'm definitely sure that 100 US dollar is just a few weeks or days far away. So what else? PlanB Binance coin is running up really nicely. We share this signal here at 381, and now the price is at 650. So it's up almost 80%. So guys, if you follow this signal, you are 80% up, and Binance coin is really close to reach a new all-time high. And after that, I think we will go to the next level at 1,000 US dollar. So what else do we have here? Yes, Cake also started to move. So Cake is the biggest decentralized exchanges and farm on Binance Smart Chain, and Cake left our buy zone, and also it's getting closer to 21, and this is our horizontal trend line that it should break, and so can go parabolic first, breaking this 27 US dollar levels, or even it's almost 26 US dollar level, then go to all-time high. Okay. Our Polkadot ecosystem is doing fine, also supported by these trend lines. And I think that as the parachain auctions will go live in 4 days, then I think we will see a nice run up from DOT, maybe some similar that we have seen by Avalanche, Algorand, One Harmony, and Aaron, and other layer ones that already rallied. And look on Aaron. Aaron is doing well, going up here or on our trend line. So I would wait to retest our trend line and then buying up some Aaron there. But it's definitely really pretty bullish, this chart for me. Ethereum is doing well. It's consolidating around 4,500, and also Ethereum is supported by this trend line, and we are just waiting where Ethereum will go from here. Maybe we'll go parabolic, but also there is a chance that it will retest the 4,000 region. And also we can expect so someday maybe in November or December, there will be a huge correction before Bitcoin reaching 100,000. So we don't know that it will happen now or later before the 100,000, but these dump just can be around 30%, and odds can fall even further. So Phantom is looking great and also breaking up from our falling wedge, and this pattern is bullish, so definitely Phantom will reach new all-time high, I think, very, very soon. Kusama started to running. Kusama is the testnet of Polkadot, and it's looking really bullish. I think maybe we will see a nice run-up first from Kusama and then from Polkadot. I'm also bullish on Link. Link is supported by this trend line, and don't forget that all DeFis are so Link is used by all DeFi platforms. DeFi is growing, Link is growing as well. So that was the news maybe yesterday that 70 billion worth of TVL is connected to Link. Okay, Matic is consolidating. We'll see if it will break down, but now it's sitting on our support level. Rune Chain is doing well. I think everything around 13 is a good buy for Chain. And SRP just broke up. And let's check Solana. Solana is around 250. And Solana is doing really well. And as we have some news on Solana conference that we will see maybe more pumps. But after that, I'm expecting a correction. Solana almost reached our price target, so perfect. Okay, so what else? I'm really bullish on TLM. And this is also gaming, metaverse token, so I'm definitely bullish on TLM. What else do we have? WeChain tried to break up, but just failed to break up here. I think maybe it will come back to the lower trend line of the channel, or even can try the break up. I would definitely watch out this break. XRP doing well. XRP seems that left this bullish pennant, the kind of this is a huge falling wedge. So XRP just pumped out and retested. So actually, I'm definitely also bullish on XRP. And as we will get some news from the SEC that they are settling up this case, then I think definitely some price movement will come. Mooriver is starting to heating up after consolidation, also doing really great and waiting for the DOT parachain launches. One Harmony broke our trend line, doing really great, and also Sand is correcting, but I think Sand so Sand correcting back the 50 Fibonacci 50% Fibonacci levels at 2.45. and now side moving, so I'm definitely expecting that Sand will continue its rally after cooling down a little bit. Shiba is doing something. Shiba went to a stable coin. So guys, check out these 4-hourly candles. Shiba went to some coins. Volume is falling, so some big movement will come, and even up or down. I would watch out Shiba. Okay, guys, so that's it almost for today. And also just be sure to check out our CorionX farms. Also, you can farm CorionX on the Binance Smart Chain and also on Ethereum. Also, you can go to the Ethereum farm, but also app.corion.io is our farm on Binance Smart Chain. You can earn 250% and also 800%. But I don't recommend to use this BNB BUSD app because there is a huge deposit fee. So this is not in your favor. But in CorionX BNB, CorionX BUSD are really nice farms to earn some extra. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for smashing the like, subscribing to the channel, and also I would really appreciate if you would share this video with your friends and share this video in the crypto Telegram WhatsApp groups. So smash the like, and guys, see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic week ahead. So let's meet tomorrow. Bye bye.